Hi guys, welcome back to another amazing hair growth video. How are you guys doing today? I hope you all are doing well by God's grace. So in here I have my fennel seed. Today we are going to be making an amazing hair growth grease using fennel seed. Okay, so I have here my fennel seed. This is how fennel seed look like. I'm just going to put that inside my blender, as you can see. Then I will add more of this product to my blender. To my returning subscriber, you guys are welcome. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you all for your love and support. So if you just subscribe to my channel, you are also welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate you all. So now I'm going to add rice oil to this, as you can see. So the next oil I will be adding sweet almond oil. So you can use any oil that you love to use for your hair on this video. So the next oil is going to be avocado oil. So I will add 2 spoons of avocado oil. So now I'm going to be adding corn oil. So you can use any other oil that you like, just one oil and you are fine. I will also add olive oil, 2 spoons of olive oil. So now I have all my oil in one place. I'm going to just blend this, as you can see me doing right now. I will just blend everything together. So after blending, this is how my fennel seed is looking like now. If you want to use this one immediately, you can use the double boiler to infuse this. Okay, if you want to infuse this without using the double boiler, you can put it inside this jug just the way I am doing right now and allow it to sit for 1 week. Okay, during this week also try to put it on hot water so it can infuse very well. So now I'm just going to put everything inside my jug. Then I will just cover it and allow this to infuse for 1 week. Okay, so fennel seed is so amazing when it comes to hair growth. It helps to stimulate hair growth. So fennel seed is good to increase hair growth. Fennel seed also helps to fight against oxidative stress, which prevents hair growth and lead to problems like hair fall. So using fennel seed on your hair is going to increase hair growth like never before. Fennel seed is so amazing, guys. This is 1 week later. I'm just going to strain out my oil, as you can see me doing right now. Okay, don't mind the mess, we clean it up later. Okay, so guys, I'm just going to use my hand to press out this oil. I'm going to press out every bit of this oil because this oil is super amazing for our hair growth. It's so rich and it can really contribute to hair growth as well. So this is how my oil is looking like now. It's so dark and so rich. It's so amazing for hair. So now I'm just going to, this is my beeswax. So I met this beeswax of camera. So I'm going to be adding my fennel seed oil inside this beeswax. I also added I add beeswax and a little bit of cocoa butter and shea butter inside the beeswax, and I just mix everything together. So now I'm just going to mix everything together. Then I will just put it inside my container where I will be storing it. Okay, so before then I'm going to be adding vitamin E oil. I will also add castor oil, so to increase the benefits of this oil. Then I will just mix everything together again, as you can see me doing right now. This oil is so amazing for our hair growth. So now I'm just going to transfer it inside my jag. So this is where it's going to be till I finish using this amazing product for my hair. Okay, so I've already started using it and it's so amazing. I really love this product a lot. So this is how it look like now. I'm just going to allow it to get solid. As you can see, after a few hours, this is how it's looking like now. It's so solid now and it's so amazing for our hair growth as well. So this is how it's looking like now. I'm just going to take you to show you how I will be using this on my hair. So anyhow your hair is, whether it's protected or not, you can use this hair grease on your hair. So you can see how shiny and this grease is looking like now. It's so good for hair growth, guys. It's so amazing, has a lot of benefits that is going to give to your hair. So my hair is on this braid protective style, so I'm going to just use this my hibiscus and the clove or water. First of all, I will spray this on my hair. So after spraying that on my hair, I will just massage it into my hair before I will use the grease on my hair. So I've already started using the grease on my hair. So this is how it's so amazing, guys. This grease is really amazing. I'm just going to take that, I will just rub it on my palm, then I'll also rub it on my hair. It smells so amazing. Fennel have this kind of present smell. It's so good, guys. The smell is so nice. That's why I don't add any essential oil to it, because I want to just perfume that natural smell from this product. Okay, so you can add essential oil to it if you want. So now I just apply that to my scalp, then I will just use it to massage my scalp very well. So I'm taking again, then I will just I will apply it to my edges, then I will use it to massage my edge. Even if your hair is on protective style, you can use this product also to protect your hair while on protective style. So I also use it on the ends of my hair, every part of my hair, as you can see me doing right now. So guys, just have to really give thanks to massage your scalp very well. So after that, I'm going to put my hair in a ponytail like this. Then we call it a day for today's video. Thank you so much for your love and support. I really do appreciate you all a lot. So hope you make this for yourself and hope you use it for your hair. Hope you like it. If you make it, hope it is you love this video and you give me a thumbs up. Hope you share with your friends and family. I hope you also subscribe if you are not yet a subscriber. Okay, thank you so much for watching and I will see you all on my next video. Bye bye, stay safe and have fun. Okay, ciao ciao, bye.